Thai Spy Kitchen. My name is Krittiya. Today I am going to show you Thai garlic prawn. So the menu is so easy, super easy. I think everyone can make this menu at home. So let's start. Here are the ingredients for garlic prawn. You need about 8 to 10 prawns and cloves of garlic, white pepper. It can be peppercorn or it can be, like ground pepper. A little bit of salt, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and cilantro root. We need to marinate this. First, we are going to do the marinate the prawn first. Let's start with the marinade first. Okay, first you need to have coriander root, a little bit of garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of salt, ground white pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, let's begin with that. First, we're gonna dice up. We only take the coriander root and then we chop up a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, here we bring the mortar and pesto. We put garlic in and we put a little bit of salt. We continue pounding it until the garlic and the peppers are well blended, and we add sugar. And fish sauce. Okay, smells so nice. Here the marinade is ready. Once we finish with the marinade, we marinate the prawn. Okay, we let it marinate for like 10 minutes. So I just do it in a simple way. I just like brush it on top of the prawn. Okay. Wow. The garlic and the pepper smell so nice. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now we will work on the garlic. Since this is garlic prawn, so we will use a lot of garlic. So put the garlic with the size of your knife. Okay, this is how I do it. You can put in the grinder and do it, but I do it the Thai way. So I just do this. Then the chunks are not even, but it's nice. It's really keep a flavor. It's not too fine because if you do it by hand, then you know how much you need and how fine you need the garlic to be. Okay, now we will fry the garlic. We just put about 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. We can just go ahead and put the chopped garlic in. You don't need to wait until the oil is hot, and you need to fry it on the low heat. You don't want it to get burned. You just want it to look nice and golden brown. When you fry the garlic, you don't fry it too brown in the pan. If you see that the garlic just about to get golden brown, you take it out from the pan and let it cook more in the hot oil in the bowl. Okay, here you see the color. It is just about enough to take it out, from the stove. Okay, I think it's ready now, so I will take it out. Okay. I will put chicken bowl like this. And you can see it still keep boiling. You know, keep deep frying and it's get more brown in the bowl. Okay, so this is done. Now we are going to fry the prawn. So we put about 1 cup, 1.5 cup of oil in the pan. And then, okay, let me heat up the pan a little bit. Okay, and now what we do to the prawn, before we put it into the pan, we need to sprinkle on top of the all-purpose flour. This is to make it nice and lean and clean, that it doesn't get stick to the pan. Okay, just do a little bit. Wow, it looks super nice. Okay, when the oil starts to get hot, you can put one by one in it. Look at the prawn. Now we get the garlic prawn out of the pan. Okay, now the last process. We're going to sprinkle on top with the deep fried garlic that we just did. Okay, we just pour it on top like that. And we'll garnish with some of cilantro. Go. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep. And to make it look nice, we can add a little bit of the red color. So you can put it like a chili. Just to add color into it. You don't bite. Huh? You don't bite this chili. You will have a fire come out of your ear. Okay, I just like 5 of them. Okay, make it look nice. Okay. And last but not least, I will sprinkle on top of a little bit of the white ground pepper. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, here we go. This is your garlic prawn. Here is your garlic prawn. Now let's taste a little bit. Wow, look at that. It smells so nice of all the garlic and the white pepper. So satisfying. Wow, tastes so nice. And Thai people, usually we eat this with a bowl of rice. So tonight, I'm gonna cook some rice and then I will eat it with my garlic prawn. So if you like my video, please subscribe Thai Spice Kitchen. And if you have any comment or you have any questions, or if you try this menu, I'd like to see the photo. And I hope you like my video. And I'll see you later in my next video. สวัสดีค่ะ